Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I'm really excited about this video because I'm announcing the launch of a new collection in my shop. But this collection is especially exciting for me because it's definitely my favorite thing that I've designed so far for my shop, and I've been working on it for almost 2 months now, and I'm just so happy to finally be sharing it with you. So the new collection is loosely based on Greek mythology. I kind of took some of my favorite characters from the Greek myths and imagined a world for them and created the drawings based on this world that I was envisioning them living in. I wanted you guys to be able to take these stories and the characters and the world that I had imagined for them, and I wanted you to be able to see that and take that into your own craft projects or your journal spreads or whatever you want to do with these. You can have a look around my shop and see all of these characters and everything that I've created for them and see what you feel most drawn to. Maybe you want to collect them all and create a journaling spread for each one of these. It's really up to you. So I would like to introduce my new collection. First, I have Cersei. If you don't know who Cersei is, she is this magical goddess who is known for bewitching men and turning them into pigs. But I just took this idea of a magical, enchanting woman and kind of placed myself in her shoes, or imagined her qualities that I want to embody and bring into my own life, and I created these designs based on that. I imagine this woman to be someone who's very confident and sure of themselves and knows exactly what they want and doesn't let fear or doubt stop them. And those are really the traits that I want to take into my own life and try to embody. And then of course, she's just magical and enchanting and beautiful. And I imagine bottles of potions lying everywhere and wearing long silky dresses and dancing under the moonlight and just all of the things that I wish I could be in another lifetime. And then we have Athena, who I'm sure you guys have heard of before. She's the goddess of wisdom and knowledge and mathematics and handicrafts and all of these things that just make her such a powerful woman. So I knew that I had to create a design based on her. For her, I imagine someone who has this unstoppable curiosity to learn about everything around her. Someone who brings a notebook everywhere to sketch all of the flowers or leaves that they see, or the beautiful architecture of the building in town. Or someone who stays up late gazing out of a telescope just to see the beautiful constellations and galaxies in the sky. Or someone who is never without a book, someone who is always trying to learn more. This is who I imagined when I was designing Athena's collection. Next we have Delphine, and she's not directly inspired by Greek mythology, but the name Delphine is the French version of the word Delphi, and from ancient Greek culture. As far as I know, Delphi was this religious temple that people would go to if they were seeking guidance. But I just really loved the name Delphine, and I wanted to create a collection based on the image I had of a woman named Delphine. This collection is very celestial because I just felt like that went best with Delphine. her, I just imagine someone who's always studying the stars or mapping out the constellations, or just being inspired by this idea that all of those lights we see in the night sky are hundreds of other galaxies and stars out there beyond our little planet. Delphine is just another magical, enchanting woman who always wears flowy dresses and has long hair and looks like she belongs in another galaxy. And last we have Estrella. I chose Estrella because her name means Star Maiden, and I just thought that was so beautiful. She was a goddess who fled the earth to live in the heavens, and I created this design based on that idea of someone living in the skies. Someone who dances around on the clouds and paints the beautiful colors of the sunsets and knows every star in the night sky. Someone who's always dreaming and imagining a beautiful future. This is who I was thinking of when I designed Estrella. So those are all of the characters that I was imagining when I was designing this new collection. Basically just all these beautiful, enchanting women who I wish I could be. I was just making this collection so I could pretend I was them, but that's what art's for, right? I also wanted to mention that I did create a free printable with kind of a sample selection of these new designs, so that will be linked down below if you want to check that out. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video and just being interested in the things that I create. You guys are amazing, and I'm sending all of the magical, enchanting wishes that I can to you. I'll see you again really soon. Bye, guys.